If you've ever wanted to color in Grayscale inside Krita, this video is going to make the process super simple. Grayscale workflow is one of the easiest ways to focus on values first, then reveal your colors when you're ready, and it can make your artwork look much cleaner and more controlled. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up your canvas, create a grayscale lens, and paint in a way that lets you hide and reveal color whenever you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is make sure your canvas is set up to actually support color. If your image is working in the wrong color mode, the workflow won't behave the way you expect. So go up to the top menu and click Image. From there, choose Convert Image Color Space. This is the option that lets you change the color model of your artwork. In the window that appears, look for the model dropdown and set it to RGB/alpha. RGB/alpha is important because it gives you full color support while still keeping transparency available if you need it. Once that's selected, click OK to apply the change. Now your canvas is ready for grayscale-based coloring. Next, we're going to create what I like to think of as a grayscale lens. This is the part that temporarily hides your colors so you can focus on value while you work. On your Layers panel, click your Active Artwork layer. Make sure you're selecting the actual paint layer and not a random group or empty layer. Then press Ctrl+Shift+U on your keyboard. That opens the desaturation options. At this point, Krita will ask you to choose a desaturation mode. The exact mode you choose depends on the look you want, but the idea is the same. You're preparing a grayscale view of the layer so you can paint with value in mind. After choosing your mode, click Create Filter Mask at the bottom of the window. This is the key step because instead of permanently removing color, Krita creates a filter mask. That means your layer now has a submask attached to it, and you should see a small eye icon next to it. This eye icon is going to be very useful later. Now comes the fun part, painting and revealing. This is where the workflow really starts to feel powerful. Click back on the original paint layer, not the filter mask. A lot of people accidentally paint on the wrong thing, so double check that you're on the actual artwork layer. Then choose any bright color from your color wheel. You can pick a bold red, a strong blue, a vivid green, or any color you want. Start painting on your canvas. Even though you're painting in color, the effect on screen will instantly appear gray because the filter mask is still active. That's totally normal. What Krita is doing is showing you the desaturated version first, so you can judge shapes, shadows, and highlights without being distracted by color. Once you're happy with your paintwork, you can reveal the hidden color instantly by clicking the eye icon next to the filter mask. The moment you toggle that visibility, your full color comes back. This is what makes the workflow so useful. You can paint in a controlled grayscale view, then switch back to color whenever you want to check the final result. It gives you much more control over your values and helps prevent muddy looking art. If you want to keep refining, you can continue painting on the original layer while the mask is active, and then toggle the eye icon again to compare the grayscale view with the full color result. That side-by-side mindset is what helps a lot of artists improve faster, because you're not just guessing at color, you're building the image from the value structure up. So to recap, first, convert your image color space to RGB/alpha. Second, apply a desaturation filter mask using Ctrl+Shift+U and create filter mask. Third, paint on the original layer with bright colors and use the eye icon on the filter mask to hide or reveal those colors instantly. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a huge difference in how you build your art. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Krita tips, digital painting tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.